Hi everyone, I'm Dan with Virteom, and I have one of my clients here, Brian Weber, Weber Automotive. We've been running your marketing for a while now. I just thought we'd get a quick testimonial. What do you think about our process so far?
Unique for sure. Okay. Yeah. I've been in business for 24 years now, and been through all kinds of different advertising, all kinds of different marketing, and going to you has been a night and day difference from everything we've ever done in the past and anybody we've ever dealt with in the past. Your knowledge and your brilliance on ideas about how to approach certain marketing concepts and some details about how to make those concepts work are I've never seen anything like it ever, and what you've done is really impressive for us.
Great. Is there anything you would like to tell maybe a potential client that's on the fence? Anything that might help them?
Anybody that's got a website and they think they want the website to work better than it has in the past, they need to talk to you and they need to come and work with you, because you will make the website work for them, unlike it ever has before, for sure.
Well, I appreciate it, Brian. Thanks for the testimony here. And by the way, if you guys need some work on your car, Brian's Weber Automotive can help you out, and we're really happy to have you guys as a customer.
Yeah, grateful to have you as
you guys
marketer.
Been a heck of a lot of fun. Fun, I think, has been the key to marketing success. If you guys are willing to have some fun with it and be creative, think outside the box, that's where we thrive the best. And I think we've really had some great fun with you.
Yeah, likewise. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Take care.